Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So you can see our reversal finally has started, so it's still a question how extended it will be on the market, but at least the starting point looks well. So you can see that market has formed bullish reversal session yesterday with the just spiking these lows somewhere right to the 10990 area that we have specified, and then close above the top of the previous session, which gives us reversal type of session. It means that at least some minor continuation here has a good chance to happen. So here guys, actually this is a very good example to us that we should get really a definite criteria at what conditions we have to close the position. So we should definitely estimate it, how we have tried to do this yesterday. So recall our discussion. This was interesting because that was the real example what we have to look for to make the correct decision on whether to close position or maybe it makes sense to wait a bit more. And as you can see, our stake on this, our bet has worked, and indeed market has turned up. So at least currently we do not know what will happen. Maybe later market will erase this rally and will just drop below the support, but at least we're right now awarded for our waiting, and currently we could turn our trade from the loss trade to the break-even trade, at least break-even. Maybe even we will get some profit right now. So here we definitely could move stops to the break-even and see what will happen next with this reversal session, and that gives us chance that at least maybe the 30% pullback here will happen, and we will get at least minor minimal target of this Cartes Triple 2 pattern. At the same time, if you'll take a look at the dollar index, you'll see that despite this drop, market hasn't quite reached the XOP target still. So from that standpoint, this brings some risk moment to this trade. Although we have the divergence here, in general very good action and good collapse, but still XOP has not been reached, and that's the risk factor. That's why if you have taken position yesterday, currently the one thing that you should do is to move stop to the break-even, I suppose, and see what will happen here. That's what we need to do, because the tricky moments around this trade still exist, and you should make safe your trade as maximum as you could do. So moving stops to the break-even currently it seems correct decision, because we're also stand on Friday, and we're coming to the weekend. It would be better to protect your position with a break-even stop, because we do not know what news could be released on the weekend, and on Monday we could get absolutely different action. Speaking on the euro currency, here you could see that wedge has been broken up. It's very good. On hourly trade, take a look that indeed our 3-drive pattern has worked nice. Right at the 10990 area, reversal has happened. Yeah, market right now calling, so the minimum target of the 3-drive also has been completed, because you know that the minimum target is the top between second and third drives, and it has been done. Now market actually has exceeded in general in the whole pattern. So one of the possible continuations that we could get if we are correct on the 30% retracement on the daily chart, I would suggest that something similar to the gold market. You can see here we could get the left arm, head, right arm could be formed, and then market could continue to move higher. If of course market will not drop below these lows. This is important. If we will be correct on this suggestion, take a look. Approximately this target will be 110.63. And if you'll take a look at the daily chart, sorry, here is the resistance, 110.66. But this is probably the old level. So anyway, 1063 agrees with this 30% fib level. So that's create very good technical picture very good agreement of the target and the possible resistance, and minimum target of the 222 pattern on the daily chart. That's approximately what we will keep an eye on. So if you haven't taken the long position and now you think that it will be correct and you're searching chance to go long, in this case you need to wait another retracement here. For example, you could focus on this head and shoulders pattern, and once market will start forming right arm, that will be chance to take the long position. For those of you who already have the long position, you would like to scale in, that's also the setup that you could keep an eye on. So that's our view on the euro currency. Let's see what will happen today.